guys, today we are going to talk about the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. ये मैं अभी ऑर्डर करा, ये Amazon और OnePlus दोनों पे आपको मिल जाएगा, जिसके लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं छोड़ दूंगा। आप वहां से जाके परचेज कर सकते हैं। What is going on? Welcome back to yet another video. How are you doing, guys? Guys, without any further ado, we are going to compare these with the Xiaomi wireless Bluetooth earphones which I have. So we're going to compare these earphones with this one. Okay, so guys, first coming up to the box, this is the box and let us open this up. So you see what type of packaging they have done. A very good packaging like always. OnePlus की packaging अगर आप देखना चाहे तो white and red, and you'll understand that it is the original like OnePlus standard theme. So let us get these out. Basically these are the earphones. If these are attached, then the earphone is not working, it is switched off. And if this is detached, the earphones start working. Well, this is where we get the volume rockers, volume rocker up and volume rocker down, and this is pause play, I think so. And then here see we have the connectivity thing, OnePlus standard logo. Here we have the connectivity thing, and here is the OnePlus standard logo. Looks good as always. This is the mint color variant and looks amazing and fabulous. You see this design which is insane, like just look at the way it looks and shines when we just flick it around. This is like one of the best OnePluses I've ever used, OnePlus earphones I've ever used. Like the quality, the build quality, you see that. And also this is suggested to be waterproof. Let's keep that aside for a while now. So guys, right under this we have our user guide, which is like totally useless for our people because we don't see it at all, but I'm going to see it and I'm going to show you what we get in this. This is what we get, and also a type C cable. You see this cable, a good quality cable, like very well made cable. So that is the user manual and everything that you get in this box. So guys, getting back to these earphones, the best thing is the magnetic control. When you put it like this, it is switched off, and when you get it out like this, it is switched on. Second चीज़ इसमें अच्छी ये है कि जब भी आप अगर आपको राइट लेफ्ट आइडेंटिफाई करना है तो आप इसे आइडेंटिफाई कर ले सकते हैं easily. This microphone is also one of the best microphones I've ever used in any Bluetooth headset till now, wireless Bluetooth headset till now. So let us try some music, but before we try some music, I will let you know that this is having a very equal sound. Like it sounds pretty well according to me. Bass वगैरह वगैरह सब it comes in the perfect balance. And comparing it to these earphones जो Xiaomi के है, this thing it is old, actually it is a bit old, but this microphone it stopped working like within like a month or so. So I would not obviously recommend you to buy these ones, but the sound quality that you get in these ones is like a bit more, the bass and everything that you feel, it's a bit more in this thing. So guys, I have been trying this out for a while now, and I've watched 2 movies on this thing, and it is absolutely insane. Like every single thing I watched Guardians of Galaxy 2 on this one, and you will not believe it, I was able to recognize a fly that was passing by the ear of this Gamora, and it is insane that this now अभी इसका प्राइस था 7,000 last year, but अभी इसका प्राइस है 2,000, which like brings a mind blowing change pricing point पे भी. और वही same audio type है मतलब, and it is better improved. If you see this part, this is it is harder and it is bigger than the last previous model that they made, and it is even flexible and it is water resistant as they claim it to be. So there is also a very good feature which is called quick switch in between telephones. This device can be connected with 2 to 3 devices at a time, and you can easily switch. So there is also a mode which is called OnePlus Fanatic mode, which I actually didn't try because I don't have a new OnePlus smartphone. I have a 5T. Well, we'll do that as well. We'll try something on this as soon as possible. Another thing that we have, and which is crazy, it is the 20-hour battery life. 10 मिनट के अंदर आप इसको लाइक 10 घंटे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, 20 मिनट में आप इसको 20 घंटे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ माइंड ब्लोइंग. और यहाँ पर पूरे कॉम्पिटिशन्स का हो जाता एंड दिस एंड एनी रियलमी थिंग एंड एनी थिंग डजेंट इवन कम इन टू एग्जिस्टेंस बैटरी लाइफ के ऊपर बिकॉज ऑफ द रैप चार्ज. इट इज़ इनसेन एंड these earphones are 100% value for your money and my money as well. So that is the video, and the magnetic control, I am getting addicted to this thing. It is just insane, bro. So the overall product review from my side is 9 on 10 because अभी इसका cost cutting में भी बहुत सारा ऊपर नीचे हुआ है. This is, you see, plastic kind of a thing. So cost cutting भी बहुत ज़्यादा थी इसके अंदर, and we paid a lot of GST as well. So what is our government going to do when we are going to pay such huge GSTs on electronics and stuff like that? This actually doesn't make any sense in this topic, but we got to concentrate and do something about our government as well because they are not performing well, not well enough in fact. So that is it for the video, guys. This is one of the best Bluetooth wireless earphones you can get in market today. So go grab your hands on this thing. You will find the links below. Link नीचे मैं छोड़ दूंगा. जाओ जाके check out करो. Buy whatever you want from the links in the description. Bye bye. Take care. Be the change. Be indomitable.